all my stuff here from Harvest 365. It's very nicely put together. You can kind of see it. This nice little box. I'm just going to give you guys like first impressions. First of all, like boom. My cute little green beans. My amazing little yellow squash. Nice and labeled for me. 3 magic beans. Don't know what those are about. Gonna find out. Garrett juice concentrate. Ooh, she was telling me about this and how we're gonna use that. Yeah, we got 2 of those. I'm assuming 1 for each plant. Then we've got organic fertilizer. Not poo-poo stinky, but kind of stinky. That one's not. Solid conditioner compost. All right. And then we've got a great booklet here. We've got a bush bean care guide right here. Summer squash care guide. And then we have information on the organic fertilizer and the solid conditioner compost. And then some information about the Garrett juice. So I kind of feel like, boom, we've got everything that we kind of need. I go through this booklet. You know, welcome. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoy it. My son took the sprinkler, is now sprinkling our house. That's where we come in. The values talks a little bit about what's going on. This is a great little booklet to learn a little bit more. The lens of an organic gardener, all about water, all about dirt. Good stuff. First month calendar of new plants. Okay, great. So what we do on rainy days, what we do on other days. We've got how many ounces and how much it's worth, when it expires, what we do day 1, week 1 through 2, week 3 through 4, everything. It looks very easy to do. It's going to tell me exactly. So I'm really excited. I have never grown anything before in my backyard. So that's why I am doing this through Harvest 365, because they're going to tell me every step of the way exactly what to do. This May booklet tells me exactly what to do through May. Next month it'll tell me exactly what to do with all of this stuff. And it'll tell me, apply 1 small handful to base of plant. There you go. Apply entire contents around base of plant when planted. So I'm excited. We have everything here. And I will probably try and take you up on a little journey throughout the rest of this month and next month to see where we go. Hey guys, Matthew here again. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to say how fun of a project this was, working with Harvest 365. I'd never done this before, and look, I mean, look, it's just so cute over there. And you know, I'm just enjoying the backyard so much during this time, and being able to look over there, have something to do. It's great. One of the cool things about all of this was this isn't perfect. It's not perfect. And I was able to contact Harvest 365 and just say, hey, did I do this wrong? How do I do this? And they helped me. Like, my plants were a little bit too close together, and I used this netting. I didn't ask Harvest 365. I just thought that's what you're supposed to do. I went out and got it. They actually suggest against it. So I might actually tear up that netting. I don't know. I'm kind of awful at plants, so I might keep it. But if I want to stay the Harvest 365 way, which is all organic and natural, I might just tear it out. I think that's probably what I'll do. So this has been fun. Thank you, Harvest 365. I'm really looking forward to my next set of plants that are going to go right there and right back there. And thank you. It's been fun. You guys got to see the progress. And everything was real easy, step by step. If I can do it, you can do it. I did all of this in... You probably, if you know what you're doing, you probably did it in about an hour. I did it in multiple stages. Probably it took me about an hour to do all of this. And it's real fun. So definitely go check out Harvest 365 and subscribe.